All right, so today, guys, I'm going to talk about the best AI design software on the market. I know I have a video out on the best AI photo editing software, but this one is more geared towards people who are web designers, people who are architects, and you just need an AI software that helps you out. Let's get right into it. For number three, I have Wizard. Some people call them Wizard. And what I like about these guys is that even if you're a beginner, you can quickly create high fidelity wireframes using their software. And they have an AI tool that pretty much assists you and works with you, throughout the entire journey. And the tool is very easily accessible, not just on a desktop like this, but also on a mobile phone. So you can do a ton of edits on a mobile phone. So let's say you're in a place where you can't just bring out your laptop or you can't use your desktop and you just want to practice, or you want to have an idea of what a website or an app will look like. You can use Wizard on your mobile phone. They also have a very easy to use drag and drop interface, which pretty much helps. And what I dislike about them is that for a lot of their pre-made templates and for a lot of their features, you will have to upgrade to their pro version, which is the only thing I dislike about them. And for number two, I have Planner 5D. And what I like about Planner 5D is that they have an augmented reality feature that lets you see what your space will look like in real time before you make any changes. And another thing I like about them is that they have a very relatively easy learning curve for anybody who's a beginner. Whether you're an interior designer, you're an architect, it pretty much works. Their price point is also very good, so that's another thing to look at. What I dislike about them is that if you're gonna use their software on a mobile phone, it's less conducive to work on there because it doesn't really give a ton of the features, and you'll be frustrated. I'm just gonna get right into the straight to the point. You'll be frustrated using Planet 5D on a mobile phone or on a small tablet. And for number one, I have Adobe Photoshop CC. As you guys know, especially for a lot of you graphic designers out there, photographers out there, Adobe Photoshop CC is pretty much the upgraded version of Adobe Photoshop. And what I like about them is you can add or remove or change or do anything with images to create very realistic scenarios. And another thing again is that the sheer number of tools and features that they have ensures you finish your work from just their interface. Their price point is also very reasonable, believe it or not. Like, their price point includes a ton of the other Adobe suite, so it's pretty good. And what I dislike about them is that the learning curve is steep, so you have to take time to get used to a lot of the features and tools, especially if you're not a beginner. But yeah, so those are the three best AI design softwares on my list. And if you guys want, I have a video on the best AI photo editing software. Make sure you guys go watch that video.